Live at 5.
North Dakota has the most affordable childcare in the country, according to a new study. 1 in 3 parents put themselves into debt to pay for childcare, and that price is rising across the nation. However, Care.com says North Dakota has the lowest rate for in-center daycare. Valley News Team's crime and safety reporter Nicole Johnson spoke with providers in the community and shows us why that may not be as good as it sounds.
Nationwide, the average person pays around $211 a week for childcare.
You know, Fargo, I know a lot of people charge about $150.
Stephanie McDonald runs a daycare at her Moorhead home. She says Moorhead and Fargo rates are about the same. However, Minnesota didn't make the list for affordable childcare.
It depends on where you're at. Now, if I were in, say, Becker County, I wouldn't be making what I'm making now.
Many agree. While this area tends to be cheaper, childcare costs are still tough for parents to afford.
I'm a divorced mom and I was in the working world. My degree is actually in radiology. And so when I struggled, I had daycare too. And it was hard sometimes to come up with the $150, you know, every couple of weeks. And that's not much compared to what most people pay.
Over at TotSpot, directors say they try to provide affordable rates on purpose for families. They know they aren't going to get rich doing what they do.
Yeah, and they're not here, you know, for a paycheck. They're here specifically because they love the kids and they love what they do. So, you know, having extremely high wages or anything, I don't think it would really affect who we hired.
While you can find cheap daycare, McDonald says safety should be your first concern.
Mom wants to find cheap care. She's also compromising that.
Nicole Johnson, Valley News Live.
There's a great need for quality care in rural Minnesota. The Department of Human Resources says it's difficult for families to find care because the number of providers is declining and many kids are not ready for kindergarten. We have